Okay guys, this is the start of my cabbage and collard green mix. I am making cabbage and collard greens, so I have 2 smoked turkeys that I'm just boiling so I can make my own broth. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, I've added some cabbage and I'm going to go easy on my seasonings. I'm adding a little pepper, I'm not going to add too much salt right now. You have to add some vinegar, y'all. I'm mixing that up. Okay, y'all, I have added some greens. I had to let the cabbage get a little bit of a head start because you know cabbage is a little bit tougher than greens. So now I've added some greens. I'm doing a greens and cabbage mixture. It's going to be good. I'm going to run back in and add some more seasoning. Then I'm just let that cook down. Okay guys, as you can see, the cabbage and the collard greens are cooking down. And oh my God, does that not look good? Yes it does. Okay, over here I'm preparing for my meatloaf. And I have some onions. I have some crackers that have been grounded up. Guys, these are Food Line crackers, and they burnt the crackers. I'm telling you, they are so dark. Food Line put these crackers in the box. Burnt, okay? But I'm gonna use them. And then I have 2 eggs. So we're gonna mix that all up together. Okay, so this is the container that it's in. And I'm not even going to try to shape it like a meatloaf. I'm just going to put it in there. And I have the oven on 380. And I'm going to cover this up. And we're going to let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, this is it's about done, as you can see. It's falling off the bone. I had to add a little bit more water, but I never add water without adding butter because you won't take away from the flavor if you keep adding water. I would have added chicken stock, but I didn't have any, so I had to add water with some butter. And that's done. We'll pull those 2 bones out and we good. Over here the cornbread is done. And I'm a couple of seconds from taking that meatloaf out the oven. I just put the topping on it and put it back in the oven, and I'm going to take it out. Here I go again, y'all. Before I could just like get the picture, the meatloaf it's a wrap. It's a wrap on the meatloaf. So. But at least you know everything I put in it. And my glaze was ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar,